So I wanted to get into looking into the intermittent fuel pump turning off or not cycling on. So you got your so there's your fuel pump. Not your fuel, yeah, is that what it is? Fuel pump, right there. And then your wires go up there. Let's see, how's that? Is that good? Let's put a flashlight on there. Trying to scroll my damn hand. Where's the jack? So the wire, that one, the main one that's coming straight out, that is the fuel pump. The other one that's going off to the left, it goes up along the tank there to there, and that is like an EGR valve, I think, on top of the tank or something. I don't know what it is, but it's related to the evaporating system, evap system. Let's even get my goddamn arm in here. Okay, I did it. Good. Okay. So the wire that goes straight out, goes up, around, and up to that post up there. That's where its main connector is. So I want to check that connector for corrosion, because that's what seems like's happening. So I can't exactly reach in there, so I went into the trunk. Pull your spare out. And go into the trunk. So that wire is this wire comes from, that is your fuel pump, at least on this year, that's your fuel pump module. So your wire goes up here and into the cutoff to get cut off, and then goes up along here, up there, comes around not that, that's my air shocks over to here. See, it's this wrapped one over to here. So then what I did is I pulled that grommet out. Yeah, 3 minutes. Well, it seems like it's been 10 minutes. I pull that grommet out. I want to pull this grommet out to check this connector, but I couldn't get this connector to come up through the hole. So we went and we chopped here, and bent it back. Bent these back so they don't cut the wire. Pull this off, which is this little tab. That tab, pull it out, and my connectors in there are perfectly fine. They still have all their dielectric grease on them. So this is the only connector going out to the fuel pump. So I thought I was going to find corrosion in this connector, because that's what it's acting like. It needs a higher voltage to get the current to the pump. But now that I see that this is okay, and I know my fuel module's okay, I even swapped with a new one and it's the same issue. So now I'm almost certain that the problem with my car is the fuel pump, or the wires inside the tank going to the fuel pump. Although I didn't check these wires here if there was anything wrong with them. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to lift this thing up and just put a new fuel pump in this car. This is an 03 Crown Vic Sport. That's why I got the air shocks. The air shocks here. Etc. And a beefier rear stabilizer bar, bucket leather seats, all the luxuries. A differently geared rear end to the civilian to make the car at least fun. So I've got 230,000 on this, I think. Well, so that's the next step, to replace that fuel pump. It's you know, at 230,000, it should be pretty much dead for an American car. All right.